When it comes to enhancing the comfort, value, and efficiency of your home in Palmetto Bay, window replacement is one of the most impactful investments you can make. Whether you're dealing with aging frames, rising energy bills, or simply want to update your home's appearance, replacing your windows can provide a range of practical and aesthetic benefits. Here's a comprehensive, customer-focused guide that walks you through everything you need to know about window replacement in Palmetto Bay. Why replace your windows? Energy efficiency. South Florida's hot and humid climate puts a strain on your cooling systems. Older windows with single-pane glass or deteriorating seals can lead to significant energy loss. New, energy-efficient windows with features like low-E coatings, double or triple-pane glass, and argon gas fills help maintain indoor comfort and reduce your monthly energy costs. Storm protection. In hurricane-prone areas like Palmetto Bay, impact-resistant windows aren't just a luxury, they're a necessity. Replacing your existing windows with hurricane-rated models can protect your home from windborne debris, eliminate the need for shutters, and provide peace of mind during storm season. Curb appeal and home value. Updated windows can dramatically transform the look of your home. Whether you're going for a sleek, modern vibe or a classic, coastal charm, new windows boost curb appeal and can significantly increase resale value. What to consider before replacing your windows' window style? Your choice of window style affects both aesthetics and function. Popular options in Palmetto Bay include single and double-hung windows, classic and versatile. Casement windows, great for airflow and tight seals. Picture windows, perfect for showcasing scenic views. Sliding windows, ideal for modern or contemporary homes. Bay or bow windows, add dimension and elegance. Frame material. Common materials include vinyl, affordable, low maintenance, and energy efficient. Aluminum, strong and lightweight, ideal for coastal climates. Woodclad, offers a warm, traditional look with modern durability. Fiberglass, high performance and great insulation properties. Each has its pros and cons, but a local window specialist can help you choose the best fit for Palmetto Bay's unique weather and your budget. Glass options. Palmetto Bay residents should prioritize impact-resistant glass low-E coatings for UV protection, tinted or reflective glass for privacy and sun control, double or triple pane glass for insulation. In the window replacement process initial assessment, the professional window company will inspect your existing windows, discuss your needs, and help you choose the right products. They'll assess issues like frame deterioration, air leaks, or code compliance for hurricane resistance. Custom ordering windows are typically custom-sized for each opening. Once styles and materials are selected, your new windows will be ordered to fit your home precisely. Installation. Certified installers will remove old units, prep the openings, and install the new windows. A good contractor will ensure proper sealing, insulation, and caulking to prevent moisture intrusion and energy loss. Final inspection and cleanup. After installation, Your contractor will inspect for fit and finish, verify energy performance, and clean the workspace. You'll be given operating instructions and warranty documentation. Choosing the right contractor in Palmetto Bay. Hiring a trusted, local window contractor is crucial. Look for proper licensing and insurance, experience with hurricane impact windows, good online reviews and references, transparent pricing and detailed estimates, warranty coverage for products and installation. Local companies familiar with Miami-Dade code requirements are your best bet for compliant, efficient, and high-performing window replacement. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows in Palmetto Bay is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a smart investment in your home's safety, comfort, and efficiency. By selecting the right styles, materials, and professionals, you'll enjoy long-lasting performance and peace of mind for years to come. Ready to take the next step? Schedule a consultation with a trusted Palmetto Bay window expert and bring new life to your home with high-quality window replacements.